the train station again. Our time now? 8:45. And I'm out here, bro. I'm out here. But I am so tired and I want to go home and I'm kind of chilly. You know? But yeah, how are you guys doing? I'm hungry, sir. I'm look my shop though. Jesus. But anyways, I hope you guys are doing good. I don't know whether or not you'll be seeing this footage, but may record it still, you know, checking in. Well, no one see nothing out here to see, so can't show no nothing, but you know, so I'm train I come there, not my train though, but yeah, it's, what did it say, 8:45 in the night, and me just go at my yard, but it's fine because you know it's still daytime. Still daytime, bro. Let me show you. Yeah, I still did, so I'm good. I'm good out here. Anyways, I'm literally not have nothing to say to no. Look, choke up though. What? Okay. There's an angle you haven't seen me from before. I swear. Alright, I'm gone. Okay, guys. Let's turn up from here. Let's go home. Yeah, when I go down this way, the people in there, let's stay up top. Over here, so vibes. Yesterday was sat over there, today we're sitting over here. Yeah, so that's where I was sitting, that's where I always sit. Yeah, later. There's a reminder for you guys. You may feel alone, but you are not alone. Remember that. Always reach out to somebody, find somebody that you can trust, and speak to them. If you don't feel like you can trust anybody, there has to be somebody out there that has your best interest at heart, and you should definitely 100% speak to them. So I showed the footage to somebody, right? And they were asking, so why Ed Ketchup, sir? And I let the video them, you know, like that. It's because I don't want my hair touching the public transport seat them. Mama girl, and then it's gonna go and touch my pillow. Someone with everybody head rubber. No, thank you. So I always catch up my hair like this, and then when I reach work, I fix it up, and then when I'm going home, I slack it back into a bun, because I'm not carry home the whole train to put on in my bed. No, thank you. Almost home. What time? After 9:15. Sky still bright. Street light just a come on. I'm home. Boy. I can't find my key. Which one I'm gonna take for my key? Hello guys, on my way home again. That's pretty much literally the only time you lot see me. But I wanted to say, I wanted to say that today I learned something about myself. I don't speak up a lot, like I don't speak out a lot, and a lot of times I just make things slide and all of that, and I realize that my face says it all even though I don't say it with my mouth. So, and this is all courtesy of Mr. Greenman as well, because if you know him, you know so he can't hold nothing, he can't keep nothing, so he just talk, and I think he's rubbing off on me a little bit, where like I found my voice, when me know say like, yo, if this is what you want, say that this is what you want. If you don't want it, say that you don't want it. Don't second feet or accept it because you don't want to hurt somebody's feelings while you are hurt, you know. And I'm just proud of myself because I'm speaking up for you, and I'm speaking my truth. I tell you to speak on the truth, so I'm also speaking my truth and getting stuff done, yeah. So I go home. We just wait for the train to come, and then I can go home. I'm tired too, so I'm kind of gone.